Hi, my name is Felix. There is a very important transition ahead of us. A transition to a more sustainable world. Let me introduce you to an innovation that is a huge step in the right direction. Here we have 73 plastic bottles, each 750 milliliters. Sanity cleaners, kitchen cleaners, glass cleaner, you name it. And when all these bottles have been used up, they're just thrown away. But hang on. We no longer need to throw away all these bottles. In fact, we don't even need to use them. Let me show you a new fantastic system that saves money, the environment, and your health. This is Zirro. It may look like a regular spray bottle, but engineers have specially developed it for the important transition we all need to make. So, what makes this bottle so special? As you probably noticed, it has two bottles instead of one. In this bottle, we have Zed water, which is an alkaline water completely free from harmful chemicals. It is very gentle both on animals and on humans. Zed water has been a huge success and is every day used by thousands of professional cleaners and private individuals. So in one bottle we have Zed water and in the other just regular tap water. And what happens when you spray? The Zed water and the tap water mix in the spray handle right before the spray exits the nozzle. This is a foam nozzle, so even if you use a traditional cleaning product in this bottle, you won't risk inhaling tiny aerosols spreading through the air. So how long does the tap water last? You can refill the water bottle up to 11 times before you need to refill the Zed water bottle. Which means that one 5-liter canister of Zed water equals up to 55 liters of ready-to-use cleaner. If you're working in an industrial setting or as a professional cleaner and need to, say, wipe down a greasy machine or a soiled surface, you might need a stronger mix. Instead of using Zed water X Power, you can use the Zed water Extreme, which is a stronger version of Zed water. And as mentioned before, you can use other products in Zirro. If you're, for example, dealing with lime scale, you can fill the cleaner bottle with a lime remover of your choice. The spray handle is very ergonomic. Soft edges and you can fit several fingers on the spray trigger. It's a very stable construction that lasts much longer than a regular spray handle. A great complement to Zirro is this. This little bottle features a nozzle called Ztrila. With it, you can easily apply the cleaner just with a little squeeze. Directly on the surface, on a cloth or on a mop. And it has this smart hook, so you can hang it on your pocket or on your cleaning cart. And it comes in a lot of nice colors. The transition is finally here. Now you can protect yourself, your family, your co-workers, your pets and nature. Both from microplastics, unnecessary and harmful chemicals and plastic waste. And remember, Earth matters.